Hello everyone, this is Saad Ahmed, and today I'm going to be demoing the final individual project for mobile app development summer semester 2021. Previously, I did a demo for our group project. This is going to be for the individual project where I basically take our original group project and add a unique feature that was given to me. For my specific case, I was given the unique feature. I was told to add a watch list feature that allows users to track and be notified about changes on specific items. So today I'm going to be demoing that along with a little bit of what the app originally was. So in order to run the app, the documentation is already available in the GitHub. What you need to do is you need to go into your terminal and then type in flutter run dash dash no dash sound dash null dash safety, and you should be able to go. I have the app booted up here, ready to go. And let's just go ahead and start. Originally, when you boot your app, like before, you're greeted with your splash screen. Since I already booted it, it's already gone. So I'm going to go here and go into register, and let's register a new name. Let's make it demo player, and then we'll make the email demo@demo.com, and we'll make the password demo123. All right, now I'm going to hit register. All right, so now I am registered into our application. And when I'm registered, I'm taken to our homepage here, which basically has all the different listings for our Unimarket sales app. So we can see here all of these items being sold by different users. So let's just say I would like to buy, let's say this, I want to buy this office chair. I can click on this, and before I had the yes and no, do you want to buy this item? Now we also have this save to watch list button. So essentially what this does is if I click on save to watch list, this is going to be implementing that watch list feature that I was told to add. So if I click here, I have the option of buying it or saving to watch list. Let's go ahead and say I want to save to watch list. I want to keep this office chair in the watch list. All right, cool. So if I want to go check my watch list, I go click up here and then select watch list. And now you see that my chair is actually added to my watch list. Um, I can always go here, click remove from watch list. I can say no, or if I do, I can just remove from watch list here and it is gone from my watch list. I can go back to my items and I can continue browsing, adding things to watch list. So let's go ahead and say that I do want to buy this office chair, but I just want to add it to my watch list. So let's go ahead and select save to watch list. We can also select multiple items. Let's say I also want to thinking about buying this Apple Watch. So let's go here and select save to watch list right here. All right, cool. Let's take a second to look at Firebase. If I reload over here in our authentication, we have our demo at demo.com new user. If we go to our Fire store, we can see that we have a new save items collection. And what that does is for the individual user, we're going to save the different items in that selection. So in sell items here, we have all the items that are being sold. And then in save items down here, we have the used chair that I added. Let's go here. And then we also have the Apple Watch that I just added over here. All right, awesome. So let's go ahead and um, all right, so let's go ahead and we already demoed what happens if I can remove it. All right, so let's log out of this user for now, and let's create a brand new user. Let's call this buyer. Buyer. Let's say buyer at test.com. Then we'll name it test 123. All right. I'm going to register this user. Okay, cool. So we can go to our authentication. We should be, okay, now we see buyer at test.com. All right, cool. So let's just say that this new buyer wants to go ahead and purchase this office chair that I had in my watch list. So let me go ahead and select office chair and let me say that, yes, I do want to purchase this office chair. All right, I'm going to be taken to my payment portal. So I'm going to type in our credit card, just like before. Everything else is the same here, no changes made. Since 555 is the code for MasterCard, it's going to show up right here. Let's put in an expiration date. We'll just put 1111, and then for CV, yeah, same thing as before. We have the same graphical interface. Let's type in the card number. Let's call this buyer is the name, and I'm going to select pay. All right. So now that I've paid, if I scroll down through the listing, you can see that the office chair is no longer available. The office chair is actually gone. So let's hop back. Let's log out of this user for now. And let's go back into the demo user that I made earlier. It's called demo@demo.com. And the password, I believe, was demo123. All right, let's sign in. Cool. So even for demo, we can see for this user that the listing for the office chair is gone. So if I go back and I check my watch list, you can see here that I've been notified that, hey, this item has actually been sold. So now the user is notified that this item's been sold. The Apple Watch wasn't sold yet, so that's why the Apple Watch is currently still in the listing. But we can clearly see here that, hey, the office chair, before it was office chair, now it just says, hey, the item's been sold. We can go ahead and we can remove from watch list. So I can just say yes, remove from watch list, because at this point it's already been sold. The user's been notified, so I can continue watching this here. This user functions exactly like the other user. I can go ahead and I can buy something here, or I can always just select and I can make my own listing. So let's just say I want to sell Firebase. I can say Firebase. Let's set it as let's say $10, and let's say Firebase subscription. All right. If I go here, I can select sell this item. So my Firebase subscription is now in the main listing page. Just like that, if other people take Firebase and they add it to their watch list, same thing as before, it's going to show up for them that, hey, the item has been sold. So they can go ahead into their specific watch list and they can basically remove from the watch list, or they can just leave it. So this is essentially my final project. I'm going to, all the different information is in the GitHub, basically what to download, all the dependencies, and the terminal type. So yeah, this is the final project. It's been a wonderful semester, and I hope I can use what I learned and implement it in my future. All right, thank you for watching.